Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your location in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Shein app. And here it opens up in the shop. From here we just go into the bottom right corner, tap on me. Then we go into the top right corner, tap on the little cog icon. And then tap on location. Here we can select the country that we are from. I'm not sure if there are, if there's every country, but you can probably find yours. And yeah, then just tap on it, and it's going to be updated, as you can see here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.